All right. Here we go. Let's determine the name. Here we go. A is 0, 0. B is -2, -2. C is 2, -4. And D is 4, -2. So this is D, C, B, and A. All right. All I need to do here is, well, I want to connect my dots first. All right, make sure those are darker now. Okay, so first thing I should do is find the slope of all four of my sides. All right, now some of us can like to write it on the shape, some of us like to write it separately. I'm going to write it separately because that shape is so small. So my slope of A, B equals, it looks like it's up 1, 2 over 2. So 2 over 2, which is just 1. Slope of, I'm going to do DC, since those are the opposite sides, up 1, 2 over 2, so 2 over 2, so that's 1, so those are parallel. Alright, so I want to see the slope of AD now, to see if those are also parallel, to see if we have a parallelogram. So it's down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So -2 over 4, which is -1/2. Then M of BC equals down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. -2 over 4, which is -1/2. So I have both pairs opposite sides are parallel. I don't have any opposite reciprocal slopes, so this has to be a parallelogram. Why? Both pairs opposite sides parallel. Okay, next one. I'm going to pause it and graph it first. So go ahead, graph yours. We'll look at this shape here. I'm not sure what this is, but it's definitely not a parallelogram. It's definitely not a rectangle. All right, so I can find the slope of every single side here. Okay, and that's what I would do. But I can tell you right now, it's a quadrilateral because no parallel or congruent sides. So how do I know? Okay, so if this were an actual test question, you would need to tell me what the slope of EF is. The slope of FG is the slope of GH, the slope of HE as well. Just so we know, okay, that these are not parallel. I'm going to do that. Let's talk about this one again. I made such a mistake. I graphed this completely wrong. I don't know what. This is just chalk it up to being exhausted. So let's start that one over. Find the slope of EH. I got down 1, 2 over 3. Find the slope of FG. I got down 1, 2 over 3, it looks like. Yeah, over 3. Okay, so I can see right away that those sides are parallel. All right, now I want to check the slopes of EF and the slope of H to G. So E to F is going to be up a lot. So up a lot over a lot. So it's going to be up, what, 2, 6 over 4. Which if you reduce is 3 over 2. And then HG, from H to G, remember I'm going from H to G left to right, not G to H. That's going to be up 6 over 4, which is also 3 over 2. So both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, so it could be a parallelogram. But if you look at the slopes, compare -2 over 3 to positive 3 over 2, negative 2 over 3 to positive 3 over 2. Those are opposite reciprocals of each other. So that means this must be a rectangle. And why? Because both pairs opposite sides are parallel. And consecutive, really they're disjoint, but consecutive is easier for people to understand. Sides perpendicular. I'll write perp. There's 4 right angles because they're perpendicular, so this has to be a rectangle. All right, let's try this last one. Hopefully I don't mess this one up too much. I'm going to pause it and graph it. I knew there was one like this. So this is just going to be a quadrilateral because it's a concave polygon. All right, it's concave, meaning it caves in like this. Okay, you could also say something like no parallel sides, no congruent sides. That would be a good explanation for this too. Okay, if you found the slopes of all your sides. All right, any questions? Let us know. We're coming to PLT. Happy studying.